Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows at home without gelatin and corn syrup. We will explore simple ingredient swaps to create a delicious, fluffy confection. You will learn to use agar-agar, a plant-based gelling agent, instead of gelatin. We will also replace corn syrup with everyday granulated sugar, ensuring a pure and delightful taste. Get ready to transform basic ingredients into a sweet, airy treat. To begin, we will prepare our plant-based base. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder with 1/2 cup of cold water, stirring well. Let this mixture sit for about 10 minutes to properly bloom. Meanwhile, in a separate, larger bowl, whip 1/2 cup of aquafaba, which is chickpea brine, or 3 egg whites until they form soft, airy peaks. This step is crucial for achieving that signature light and fluffy marshmallow texture. Next, we create the sweet syrup. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 3/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture, without stirring, until it reaches 238 degrees Fahrenheit or the softball stage. Carefully and slowly drizzle the hot syrup into your whipped aquafaba or egg whites while continuously beating. Continue whipping on high speed for about 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture triples in volume, becoming thick, white, and beautifully glossy. Once your marshmallow fluff is ready, quickly pour it into a 9 by 9 inch pan that has been lightly oiled and dusted with powdered sugar and cornstarch. Use an oiled spatula to smooth the top evenly. Let the marshmallows set uncovered at room temperature for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally overnight, to firm up completely. Finally, cut them into your preferred shapes and dust all sides with more powdered sugar and cornstarch to prevent sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.